Hey everyone, in this video you will learn how you can add ticket tailor customers into MailChimp's contacts list automatically. So guys, Ticket Tailor is a ticket selling application for your online or offline events, and MailChimp is an email marketing tool. So with the help of this automation, you can connect them both, and as and when any customer is going to purchase your ticket from Ticket Tailor, the same person is going to be added into MailChimp automatically without any manual effort. So it will save your time and improve your efficiency. And guys, we are going to set up this automation without any coding. So let's start. To set up this automation, guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool. And this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account. So guys, I have pasted the link of this landing page in the description. So you can just sign up right now and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay. So you can just sign up right now, and after that sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this. And from here guys, you have to click on this create workflow button to set up the workflow. And here you can give a name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as Ticket Tailor to MailChimp. Okay. So after giving the name, just click on create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. And on this page, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So trigger is that event which is going to kickstart this workflow, and the action would be the response or the consequence of the trigger. So here in the trigger section, you have to choose the application in which the trigger event is going to occur. So here, Ticket Tailor will be our trigger application, okay? Because we are selling tickets using this application, and selling of the ticket will act as the trigger event which is going to kickstart this workflow, okay? And the action would be to add the person who is purchasing the ticket as a contact in MailChimp. So first of all, search for the trigger application, which is Ticket Tailor, okay? And the trigger event would be new ticket order. And you can see we have this webhook URL here. So with the help of this webhook URL, we are going to make a connection with Ticket Tailor application. And after that, we are going to capture the response of this connection. Okay. So to make this connection, you need to follow these steps written here. Okay. So let me show you directly how you can perform these steps. First of all, you need to go to your Ticket Tailor applications dashboard and click on settings page. Under settings page, guys, you will find this option here on the left hand side panel. You will find this API option. Click on API. Under API page, you will find this webhooks tab here. Click on webhooks. And under webhooks page, you will find this create new webhook button. Click on it. And guys, from here you have to select that event by which you are going to trigger the workflow. So we want that whenever a new order is created, that should trigger the workflow. So here you have to select that. You have to select this order.created event. Okay, select this, make the status as active. And here in this URL field, you have to paste this webhook URL that you got here. So just click on copy from here and paste this URL here like this. Okay, then click on create. And here you can see guys, a new webhook connection is created here. Okay, and here you can see as we have copied this webhook URL, it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So this means guys, now you have to perform a test submission. Test submission means we are going to manually buy a ticket from our ticket selling page, and that will be a test order for us. And the data of that test order will be captured here in this response. And with the help of that data, we are going to set up this automation further. Okay, so I am going to open the ticket selling page. This is my selling page, guys, and I'm selling a sample ticket for a webinar. Okay, so here I'm going to click on this join the guest list button, and from here I am going to order a new ticket. Okay, so you can see this is the description, general admission, and the ticket is for free. Okay, so click on next here. And here you have to fill in the details of any demo customer. Okay, so I'm mentioning the details as this. So I have filled the details. Now I'm going to click on next here. And you can see from here, I'm going to click on this button to complete the order. And here you can see it is showing thank you for your order, dear demo customer. Thank you for your order. Okay. So we got a ticket here. This is the ticket's description. Let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this test purchase captured or not. So here you can see guys, we got the data captured like this. Okay, so it is showing us the details of the amount of the ticket, which is 0. Okay. And here you can see the description is general admission. This is the ticket's code URL. And here, when you scroll down a bit more, you will find the event's name here in the summary name label. The start date of the event is also here. And these are the customer details that we got. So with the help of these customer details, we are going to add a subscriber in, add a contact in MailChimp application. For that, we are going to use this action step. So in this action step, I'm going to connect with MailChimp to add a contact. Search for MailChimp here. Here it is selected. And the action event would be is to add a new member with custom fields. So you can, if you have some custom fields, you can also fill in the data in fields also. So here click on this connect button to make a connection. From here just click on add new connection option, and here it is asking for the API token of MailChimp and the data center's name. Okay, so you need to follow these steps written here. You need to go to the extras section and you will get the key. So let me show you directly. So this is my MailChimp account guys, and here I'm going to click on this profile icon from this bottom left hand corner and click on profile. Alright, under this page you will find this extras tab. Click on it. From here click on API keys. Under API keys, when you scroll down, you can generate a key by clicking on this create a key button, or you can use any existing key as well. Okay, so I'm clicking on create a key. Alright, and a new key is ready to use here. You can see this is the today's date and new key is ready. So you can just copy this key from here and you have to paste it here in the token field like this. And for the data center's name, you can use your MailChimp account's URL. Okay, for example, you can read here. So this is my MailChimp account's URL. Let me just copy this whole URL. Let me paste it here. And now you can see in the example, if this is the URL, US19 is the data center's name. Similarly, our data center would be US6. Okay, so I'm removing these extra things from this URL, from the data center. Alright, so you can see US6 is our subdomain or the data center, right? Now click on save and you will be connected with MailChimp. Alright, so we are connected, and here it is asking to choose the audience list. So we have only one audience list here, which is the name, actually the name of our account, Pabbly Connect. Okay, so it got selected here, and here you have to fill in all the details of the person you are adding in the contacts. So I am going to map the details from this step, okay, from the trigger step. So we got these labels here in which we have the data. So I'm going to map these labels in this step. So to map the labels, just click here on this field and a trigger step will appear in the drop down. And when you click on it, you will find all the data here only. So scroll down and find the email address of the customer. So you will find it here. When you scroll down, here it is, just select it. Similarly, if you want to apply any tags here, you can apply tags. Here you can select the status of the subscriber. So this person is not subscribed by himself, so I am going to make it transactional. Okay, and here you can use this interest field. Here you can map these things. So I'm going to map the first name and the last name here. Alright, you can see the first name label is here, map it. Similarly, you will find the last name label. This is the last name. And you will find the phone number label as well. Okay, here it is selected. Right, so we have mapped all the details. So guys, when you map the data like this, what will happen in real time after setting up this automation, whenever you get a new order of the ticket, these labels are going to be updated according to your order, and new customer will be added every time this workflow executes in your MailChimp account. Okay, so let us check our connection with MailChimp now. So guys, let me open my contacts list. So these are the contacts I have right now, and let me check the connection. I'm clicking here on save and send test request button, and a new contact will be added in front of you. So it is showing us an error here. So in this error, it is showing that the email address that I have filled here was permanently deleted and cannot be re-imported. So I must have already deleted this email address from my existing database I have in MailChimp, so it is not re-importing it. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to change this email address manually here just to show you the demo. In real time it won't happen. If you have new email address which was not previously deleted, it will be added easily. So I'm just changing the email address manually here just to show you the demo. Okay, so let's see if it got added or not. So I'm going to click on save and send test request again, and you can see this is the response we have received. A new contact is created here. Let's see in MailChimp if we got a new contact. So let me refresh the contact section. And here you can see we got a new contact added here as this demo1@Pablitudes. This is the email address. This is the name, demo customer. This is the phone number. Okay, so this is the same person whose data we have mapped. You can see the adding date as well, right? So this is the same person I have entered here, demo customer, with the same details. Okay, but remember, you have to map the email label, guys. I have shown you the demo just to show you how you can add the subscriber, but guys, remember to map the email label so that in real time, let me first map it. Okay, so that in real time, whenever your workflow executes, the email label is going to change here, and new email with the new contact will be placed in your MailChimp account. Okay, so please do remember to map these required things. Okay, right, now we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, it is going to run automatically, and you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.